The Zenvo Aurora, the latest hypercar from the Danish automaker, is a true marvel of engineering, blending raw power with exquisite design. Named after the mesmerizing northern lights, the Aurora is offered in two distinct versions: the Agil, designed for track-focused performance, and the Tur, a grand tourer with an emphasis on comfort and aerodynamics. With a production limited to just 100 units, this rare masterpiece embodies cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship. Visuals: slow-motion shots of the Aurora's aggressive stance and aerodynamic lines. The exterior of the Zenvo Aurora is a work of art, designed with both aesthetics and functionality in mind. Built around a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis, the body is sculpted for maximum aerodynamics. The front fascia is striking, featuring sharp LED headlights, large air intakes, and a sculpted hood that channels air efficiently. The side profile showcases flowing lines, exposed carbon fiber elements, and massive air vents that help cool the monstrous engine. At the rear, the aggressive diffuser, massive wing, and slim taillights add to the car's futuristic appeal. Every element is designed to enhance downforce while keeping the overall weight as low as possible. Visuals: close-up shots of the Aurora's V12 engine and exhaust sound. Under the hood, the Zenvo Aurora is powered by a 6.6-liter quad-turbocharged V12 engine, developed in collaboration with Mayhill Powertrain. This beast produces an astonishing 1,250 horsepower in the Tur version, while the Agil variant pushes it even further, reaching up to 1,850 horsepower with its hybrid-assisted setup. Paired with a 7-speed automatic gearbox, the power is sent to either the rear wheels in the Tur or all four wheels in the Agil. The result: a top speed of over 280 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.3 seconds. The lightweight chassis and advanced aerodynamics ensure razor-sharp handling, making the Aurora a track monster while still being road legal. The active suspension system and carbon ceramic brakes provide unmatched control, even at high speeds. Visuals: a smooth transition into the interior, showing the luxurious cockpit. Stepping inside, the Zenvo Aurora continues to impress with its blend of luxury and high-tech materials. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, and exposed carbon fiber, providing a balance between sportiness and elegance. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster, a minimalistic center console, and ergonomically placed controls for maximum convenience. The racing-inspired seats offer excellent support, while the premium sound system and climate control ensure comfort for longer drives. Customization options allow owners to tailor every detail to their preference, from stitching patterns to material choices. Visuals: displaying price details and comparison with other hypercars. With exclusivity comes a hefty price tag. The Zenvo Aurora starts at around $2.8 million, placing it among the most elite hypercars on the market. However, with its limited production, bespoke engineering, and jaw-dropping performance, it is a worthy investment for collectors and enthusiasts who crave something truly unique. Visuals: final shots of the car in motion, driving through scenic landscapes. The Zenvo Aurora is more than just a car, it's a statement of power, innovation, and craftsmanship. Whether you choose the track-focused Agil or the grand touring Tur, this hypercar delivers an